I'm Rakeshwari. Today I'm going to discuss with you some scholars, the famous scholars of the world. Al-Biruni is one of them. Al-Biruni born on 4th September 973 in Khwarizm. Present day, the Khwarizm is the present Uzbekistan. He was scholar. He did many things in his life. He died on 13 September 1048. He has quite interested in astronomy, mathematics, philosophy, and he did many things in the field of geography. He discovered many instruments in geography. Unfortunately, with the passage of the time, many of his instruments has been destroyed with the passage of time. A few instruments with the astronomy or geography still we have in the museum. Al-Biruni was a very famous astronomer, mathematician and philosopher studying physics and natural science. He was the first able to obtain the simple formula for measuring the radius of the earth. Moreover, in 1017, when the Sultan of Ghazni, Muhammad, he attacked Khwarizm, he made all the scholars and poets as the prisoner. Al-Biruni was one of them. The Sultan of Ghazni took them to the Ghazni, and he was very impressed by the knowledge of Al-Biruni. And he gave the title of Shah-e-Khwarizmi. In Ghazni, he made a link with India. He developed link with India because he wanted to discover, he wanted to work on the Indian culture, Indian society, mathematics, astronomy, geography, and he made link with the India. He already knows that there are many barriers and obstacles in his way, like difference of language. He was very expert in Arabic, but not in Sanskrit. This is the major difference, major drawback and major obstacle in the way of Al-Biruni's next journey. Moreover, there is a lot of difference between the Islamic and the Indian culture. Moreover, the peoples of the India have a different culture and different society rather than the Arabic culture. But he made many efforts. He made him expert in Sanskrit, but it was very difficult to convert one language into another language which have a quite difference. While laying in India, he wrote his famous book, Kitab-ul-Hind. It has 80 chapters on social life, religious life, caste system, political system, and many more. Kitab-ul-Hind is outcome of Al-Biruni's Iranian scholar, and many years he stayed in India, and this is a very famous and very valuable resource of history while we are discovering the India's history. In next, we will discuss Kitab-ul-Hind. Thank you and have a nice day.